Hi dudes, it's Saji and you're watching a video from Saji French Learning Channel. Imagine you have one special ceremony and you want to invite your boss, your leader, the people important to you to join that by writing one letter. Do you know how to write formal letters? If your answer is no, stay with me because in this video I'm going to teach you step by step how to write formal letters. Let's go! For this topic, you have to write formal invitation letters. But why? Formal invitation letters are essential for various occasions, from wedding to business events. They reflect respect to the people who you are inviting. Our first step is addressing the recipient. Start your letter by cher for male and cher for female, followed by the recipient name. For example, you can say, Cher Monsieur Martin, Cher Madame Dupin. Next step, express your invitation. You can use the sentences like J'ai l'honneur de, Nous serions ravis de, and the rest of the sentence. Listen to these complete examples provided for you. Let's go!
J'ai l'honneur de vous inviter à ma soirée de gala. Nous serions ravis de vous compter parmi nous pour célébrer notre mariage.
Provide the date and the time of your event. Use the French formula. For example, le 20 novembre 2023 à 19h. Mention the significance of the date and the time of your event. For example, celebrating a milestone. Share event details, for example, the location. You can use the phrases like it means at, or à l'adresse suivante, it means at the following address. The sentences are like this. Encourage recipient to RSVP by saying,
Je vous prie de bien vouloir confirmer votre présence d'ici le 20 novembre 2023.
Don't forget to focus on timely responses for event planning. Dear French learners, express your enthusiasm about your recipient presence and why their attendance matter. Finish your letter by using formal closing like
Veuillez agréer, cher Martin. L'expression de mes salutations distinguées.
Sign your name below the closing and then you are done. Now it's your turn. In the comment, write one formal letter and invite me to your wedding.